Friends, good evening. And today I'm going to tell you one thing. So, today's topic is someone asked me that do you miss your family and friends because you shifted in Himachal Pradesh from Kolkata? So, I do. I miss my family. So, firstly, I just tell you one thing. I'm not from Kolkata, I am from Bihar, but my grandfather was shifted from Bihar to Himachal Pradesh. Till now, I have my own house, my lands in Bihar also. And when my father shifted Himachal Pradesh, at that time, my father, sorry, in Kolkata, so my father bought some plots and we built our own house also on that place. Even in the ground floor, we have a my own academy, karate academy, and the first floor we were stay together. But yes, I do miss I miss my family because that place is my birthplace. So definitely everyone miss that place, and I also miss my place. And because of my family, my relatives, everyone stay in someone stay in Kolkata and someone stay in Bihar. When your family stay with like not with you but in surrounding in your area, approximately 10 to 20 kilometers, when you need that kind of people, that definitely they are some are angry with you, but if you need someone, definitely everyone comes to you. So like that, whenever I need help, my all family came to my home in Kolkata, sometime in Bihar also. So I thought that family is a very important. When my mother was passed away in 2009 2019, at that time I just sent them some message because I thought I have a lots of work. Why like how many calls I have to call? So I just send them the message, and all the people, they call me. Someone just like came to my house at 12 a.m. They are not think that this is a night. We will go in the morning. They not thought think that things. And even some of my family member, they were from Bihar. They also they came to Kolkata from Bihar. Like in the morning, they reach everyone. So the family is very important. I'm telling you some friends also. Like when I was in Kolkata, and as like suddenly my sisters, my niece, suddenly she was suffering some disease on her body, so she suddenly feeling unwell, and my mother took her to the hospital. Because my mother was alone, so doctor said to her that we your like your child is not normal, she's a very critical condition, so we are not going to admit in this hospital. So my neighbors, my friends, all together, approximately 50 to 80 people, they reached that place, there that in hospital. And suddenly the doctors asked them, why you came here? Like who is your patient? And everyone said to them that she is my patient. And then like the doctors admitted her, and they started treating her. And yeah, we lost her because she was really in very critical condition. But the supporting of the people is a very important. Supporting of the family, supporting of the friends is a very important. In Kolkata, I got that things. I don't know in Himachal Pradesh, I receive that things, or I can get support from the neighbors and family friends. I don't know, but in Himachal Pradesh, I also receive some of the, like one person who always support me. I don't know why, but who always support me. And So that's why I always miss my friends. Even whenever anyone asks me that, brother, we are going to organize anything like birthday party, or any like anyone have a marriage ceremony or anything, they just call me. One day ago I just reached tomorrow, like in the next morning, and everyone happy. So right now, even my grandfather, my father's uncle, suddenly passed away in this month only, like 15 to 20 days ago. But I already took some leave in last month, because of my father wants to visit um, Prayagraj. So that's why I took that um, leave, and so that's why I don't have leaves left. And also there was some problem, like there, I faced some that time financial condition. Until now I'm facing something, because I have a lots of EMIs, and my son is also that time, like the same date my son was enrolling, like I enrolled him a new school. So I was a fully drained from my pocket, so I didn't go there. But I miss them. That I something miss something. But because there is another reason that if I want to go there, then I have to travel 3 nights in the train, on the train, and also one night in the bus, on the bus. So totally 4 days for reach that place. And if I if I come back from that place, then I have to stay 4 days. And I'm not that kind of stable that I spend 50,000 or 60,000 for a flight, because in from Himachal Pradesh, and for Himachal Pradesh to Kolkata, I just go to Google and search that their price was 24,000 from one side, then definitely the 50,000 for both side. So I'm not that much stable. So because I need lots of money for uh, this is my new house, so that is also one reason. So I just say them sorry because of these kind of situations. The okay, and I'm coming to the point. So nowadays I just whenever my students, like there is students also. Earlier, when my wife got a job in 2019, so lots of my students, they said to me that why you are moving to Himachal Pradesh, don't move. And I also thought that these are my very close students, why I am moving there. But suddenly I met with one accident in 2022, and then that was the main turning point, that that all students of mine, they left my academy, because I'm not able to go to the academy. So no one who teach them. So that's why they left the academy. And also the God gave me one strike on my mind that Anil, this is the right time. You can move to Himachal Pradesh because everyone left you. So then somehow I moved to Himachal Pradesh, and in 2024, after moving here, I was happy because this place was new for me, and I'm enjoying because I am very that kind of person, who love exploring a new places, a new way. So from my childhood, when I got a chance, whenever I get a chance, I just move to here and there. I just tried to find some new places. So like that in this place also, I enjoyed a lot at that time. But after 2 or 3 days stuck in one place, one room, my wife asked me lots of time, let's go to visit some temples. So she was just trying to uh, giving me some attention, and but I was not happy. Suddenly I got a job, then I involved that work, and then somehow my work is smoothly going on, then I feel better. But I'm not, till now I'm not happy. There is another thing also. There is a, after 6 p.m. or after 6:30 p.m. or 7 p.m. sometimes, the people are entering their home, maybe in this place or other place they are enjoying their life. But what I'm facing, so I'm just explaining you that in my neighbors, even where I'm working, that all places after 6:30 or 7 p.m. they all enter their home. They are not come out from the house. So I'm also not, I don't like that things. And after 7 I didn't get any, I can't get any bus. There is not option. If you book any buses, like a cab or any Ola Uber, there is also no option. You have to keep any numbers of taxi driver, then you can book the taxi. You can call them, they will reach in your place, then you can move here and there, or you can go to the taxi stand, then you get easily get some taxi. But like in night time, there is an option to go, that is not right option to go to the taxi stand. You have to call them. That is the right option. But there is also positive things, that there is a less pollution city, so I like that place. Everywhere is a very nature. I feel like earlier when I was in Kolkata, I just frustrated of this like hot weather. But in this place, there is also some time for 1 month or 2 months. There always, there is a weather is always hot, yeah, but not like Kolkata. Compared to Kolkata or Bihar, this is a cold place, so I like cold place, so I'm enjoying that things. But you know, my body is not habituated that much cold. So till I am happy. So this is the story, and lots of things I have, but I'm just explained you that um, why I am shifted here. And even I built my own house in this place. And so earlier when I was trying to move here, at that time my mood was not move to here. But some one day I just asked my father that, Papa, if you move to Himachal Pradesh, then I will also move to Himachal Pradesh. But my father earlier he said to me that no, I am not going to move here. And suddenly one day, after 3 or 4 years, he said to me that, yeah, if you build your own house, if you build your career on that place, then definitely I will go there and I will stay with you. And I thought that this is a lengthy process, because building a house, it's not a day night work. Uh, so I somehow I moved to Himachal Pradesh, and I had some of rupees. So uh, I see some saw some plots and land and purchased that land, and then I built my own house. And I asked to my father, and my father said, "Yeah, definitely I will go there, but I need some time, because I have some work. I want to finish that work, then I will go there and I will stay with you." So I am waiting for that moment, because staying with your family is a very important, because when your family needs you, you always definitely you support them, and when you need your family support, they also support you. So this is the life. And yeah, I'm missing them. But okay, brother. Yeah, okay, everyone. This is the new video and new story and my feeling, because the shooting of the video, there is another reason. Like, I don't have a friend in this place, so I am just telling you my feeling with you guys, because I don't have a friend. If anyone, like if anyone senior than me and they are watching me my videos, so please tell me where I am going wrong and which part I have to fix, and how I can fix that. Uh, that particular things. Thank you so much.